Welcome to this quick tour of the PlaceStories system. As the name suggests, PlaceStories has been created to help people share stories about places, but it can do lots of other things too. PlaceStories is an easy to use system for managing digital media, creating digital stories, and publishing online. The PlaceStories system consists of two main parts. The first part is a software program that is free to download and install on a Windows PC to manage digital media and create digital stories. The second part of the system is online, customized websites supporting publishing, communication and collaboration for the growing network of PlaceStories communities. You can set up your own PlaceStories account. You can join and participate in multiple PlaceStories communities and projects. Your username and password allows you to log into the website and download the software. It also connects you to all the communities and projects that you join or create. The PlaceStories software has some handy tools for getting your digital media together and managing your projects. Tools for capturing and editing images and audio are built into the software, so you have everything you need to create your stories in one system. Stories bring together text, audio and images in creative ways. In the story editing area, you can adjust the timing, set motion effects, add captions and text screens. You can build a soundtrack combining music, voiceover and effects. A narration feature helps to easily sync your voiceover to images. Most PlaceStories are under 2 minutes long. That keeps them small enough to view online. Each story is given a location and appears as a story marker on a relevant project map. Projects are collections of stories published in a PlaceStories community. You can log into the community web server from the software using your username and password to add stories to an existing project or create your own. There is no limit to the number of stories or people you can have in a project, and in turn no limit to the projects in a PlaceStories community. Projects also enable groups to communicate and collaborate privately before sharing work in the broader community. All PlaceStories members are part of a community from a particular sector or network. Each community also has its own nominated administrators to check all story content before it is made public. So PlaceStories is a little different from other user-generated content systems like YouTube or MySpace. You can also export your PlaceStories to DVD. Ownership of all PlaceStories content remains with the person who creates it. They decide if they want to share it and with whom from their own PC. So the system is like a database where most of the content sits on computers across the community. Each community has its own customized website sustained through license agreements that provide for support services, system updates, data hosting and a range of other services. You can put forward ideas on new PlaceStories communities and work with Feral Arts to set them up. Each PlaceStories website has a range of tools to support information sharing, communication and collaboration on projects and within communities. These include private messaging, chat, forums, blogs. When you join PlaceStories, you automatically become a sandbox member that is set up for new members to try out the system. Work published in the sandbox can be used to demonstrate the potential for a larger PlaceStories project or propose setting up a new PlaceStories community. There are a number of PlaceStories videos like this one in the help section of the website if you get stuck using the system. Go to the PlaceStories website and create an account today. Thanks for your interest and good luck.